In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link with an image. Whether you're spreading the word about an event, sharing some exciting news, or just sending a friendly update, incorporating both images and links can make your message stand out. First, let's get started by opening Gmail. Simply navigate to mail.google.com. This is your starting point, and it's where you'll be creating your email. Once you're there, you should see the familiar Gmail interface. Next up, look for the Compose button on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. This action opens a new email window where you can start crafting your message. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. This is where your email will be sent, so make sure to double-check it for accuracy. Mistyping an email address could send your message into the void, so it's always worth a quick check. After that, add a subject line. For instance, you might write, "Check this out." A clear subject line helps the recipient understand the purpose of your email. It also increases the chances that your email will be opened and read. Now it's time to insert an image. Look for the Insert Photo icon, which looks like a small camera. Clicking on it gives you options to upload an image from your computer or select one from Google Drive. Choosing the right image can make your email more engaging, so pick something relevant and visually appealing. With your image in place, it's time to add your link. You have a couple of options here. You can simply paste the URL directly into the email body. This method is straightforward but lacks a personal touch. Alternatively, you can type some text like "click here." Highlight this text, then click on Insert Link and paste your URL there. This approach makes the email look cleaner and more professional. At this point, you might want to arrange the layout. Consider placing the image on top or below the text. The link text can be underneath or beside the image. This arrangement is important because it guides the recipient's attention and ensures that your message is clear and effective. Finally, with everything in place, click Send. You've now successfully included both an image and a link in your email. This combination can make your communication more impactful and engaging. Remember, incorporating images and links in your emails not only makes them visually appealing but also more interactive. This can be especially useful in maintaining the recipient's interest and encouraging them to take action. And there you have it. You now know how to share a link with an image in Gmail. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.